This is Nick and Dennis, and today we will be performing a double displacement reaction involving two solutions, sodium hydroxide and nickel 2 chloride.
A double displacement reaction is classified as a reaction where two compounds are mixed, and the negative and positive ions of these compounds are exchanged with one another in order to form two new compounds. This type of reaction can only occur with two aqueous solutions.
To begin this experiment, we will pull two 50 milliliter glass beakers from the shelf and place them on the workbench. The reason we are using glass beakers is to hold our solutions of sodium hydroxide and nickel 2 chloride. This is beaker 1, and this is beaker 2.
Following this, we will grab the 1 molar sodium hydroxide solution from the shelf and pour 15 milliliters of its contents into beaker 1. Next, we will grab the 1 molar nickel 2 chloride solution from the shelf and pour 6 milliliters of its contents into beaker 2. When we look at both of our beakers, you'll notice that beaker 1 contains a gray colored solution, the sodium hydroxide, while beaker 2 contains a green colored solution, the nickel 2 chloride.
In order to complete this reaction, we must pour all of the contents held in beaker 2 into beaker 1. As the reaction finishes, notice that the products include a gray aqueous solution with a green precipitate. In order to identify what these two products are, we must turn to the chemical equation for the reaction we have just carried out.
Because this was a double displacement reaction where the positive and negative ions of the reactants swapped with one another, the products of this reaction are aqueous sodium chloride and solid nickel 2 hydroxide.
Once we balance this equation, we see that it takes 2 moles of aqueous sodium hydroxide reacting with 1 mole of aqueous nickel 2 chloride to form 2 moles of aqueous sodium chloride and 1 mole of solid nickel 2 hydroxide.
Now that our experiment is over, we can properly dispose of our material by dragging it over to the waste bin. We thank you for watching, and goodbye.